Hey guys, you recently saw Ghibli trend going off the rails, that it literally crashed OpenAI's servers. So AI has got insanely good at doing things that we used to think only we could do. It is now making digital art, even generating music that sounds like it belongs to a movie. AI models like GPT, dall-e, suno, and all these things, they can spot patterns in like so many examples, and they can learn how things usually look or sound and then predict what might come next. They're not truly understanding creativity the way we do. They're just really good at imitating it. You can literally say, "Hey, write me a song in Michael Jackson's style, but make it about Doraemon." And boom, you'll get full lyrics and even a melody in just under a minute. So yeah, AI isn't just writing emails anymore. It's stepping into creative spaces we always thought belonged only to us, like emotional and soul-filled stuff. And that's why so many people, especially writers, musicians, artists, they're feeling uneasy. They're asking, if AI can do what I do and do it faster, where does that leave me? And honestly, it's a really fair question, because this isn't just a tech thing, but it feels personal. AI can make some really impressive stuff, but real human creativity, it's not just about making things that look or sound cool, it's about the soul behind it. When we create something, we actually pull something from our lives, like the good old memories that we had with our friends, and sometimes the silence that said more than words ever could. It's the imagination mixed with memory, emotion, fear, hope, and everything in between. But AI doesn't have that. It doesn't get nervous before singing in front of a crowd. It doesn't stay up at 2 a.m. wondering if art is good enough. It doesn't feel a thing. And that's huge, because art that hits us the hardest usually comes from real places inside the creator. We don't just love a painting just because it's pretty. We love it because we feel something through it. And we don't connect to a song just because the beat is good, but we connect to it because of the lyrics. That emotional connection, it's the bridge between the creator and the audience, and it's something that only we can build. It's not in the brushstroke, it's not in the colors, it's not in the beats, it's not in the melody. It's in the soul behind it. So yes, AI can mimic the product, but the process, like the messy, emotional, and soulful journey behind the real art, that is ours, and no algorithm can ever fake it. Here's the thing, AI doesn't have to replace us, it can actually work with us. Think about when cameras were invented back in the old days. Everyone thought painting was over, but the spoiler? It wasn't. Artists just found new ways to express what photography couldn't capture. Art evolved, and it got even cooler. And the same thing is happening right now, but just with AI instead of cameras. So AI is a tool, but it's never a threat. Just think of it like we use calculators for solving math a bit faster, and we use Photoshop to edit photos easily. But the vision and the heart of it, that still comes from us. So if you're an artist, it can offer color ideas, and if you're a musician, it can generate some chord progressions. But it can never live your memories. It cannot dream your dreams. It cannot create something that is in your life experiences. So that part, the part that matters the most, will always be human. And in every case, we decide what stays, what changes, and what gets thrown away from what AI has offered us. So instead of thinking AI will replace you, think how you can use AI to make even more of what you love. So honestly, it's not us versus AI, it's us with AI. We're moving into collaboration and not competition, and we're basically already seeing it. Musicians are experimenting with AI-generated beats, and this is called a hybrid creative process. It's about combining the best of both. AI brings speed and suggestions, but we bring heart, meaning, and soul. Just imagine a filmmaker using AI to sort through hours of footage faster, but still crafting the story and emotional beats all by themselves. Sounds pretty awesome, right? But there's something more important. We still need human judgment behind everything. because AI doesn't know what's meaningful or what's shallow, what's appropriate or what's harmful. We are the ones who make sure creativity stays thoughtful, inclusive, and alive. As long as we stay smart, stay aware, and stay us. With the right balance, AI can help us dream bigger, it can help us create faster, and explore a bit deeper. But the soul of creativity will always belong to us. Alright, AI is powerful, but it will never replace what makes us human, because real creativity isn't just making things that look good or sound good. It's about sharing who we actually are. It's about the moments we have in our lives. It's about the thoughts that keep you awake at night. It's about the joy, the pain, and the hope, love, and all the stuff that only we can feel. AI doesn't live, AI doesn't feel, but you do. We all do, and that's where real art comes from life. And even in this world full of amazing tech, what people will always crave is realness, that honest human expression. That's not going away, never. So if you are a creator, please don't let AI make you feel small. Let it remind you of how huge your voice is, because your words, your music, your paintings, they don't just fill space, they touch hearts, and that's something that no machine will ever truly understand. So, yeah, play with the tools, explore AI and all of that stuff, and use it to stretch your creativity. But never forget that the real soul behind all the art is you.